Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video we will be talking about how to claim the voting badge for Paws Airdrop. So as we all know, as we are all aware, Paws will be doing the airdrop soon, and one thing you can always do is to check eligibility, to check if you're eligible. So we'll go down here, and you can do it two ways. You can either go to the Telegram app and then you log in from there, or you must have added Paws to home screen as one of those tags earlier. But I went directly to the Telegram app. So check eligibility. So check eligibility, connect your wallet on the claim web page to check your eligibility for the airdrop. So visit website, choose your default. So let's default Chrome, and here Chrome opens to us. Good. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be paying for a badge. So go to this place up here. Now the next place you have to want to claim, click on claim, the red dot over here. Good. So the mandatory eligibility check, verify our website, complete static quests or invited users, save from green, and activity check is still going on. So far we've met 3 out of 4 of them. The next one, the recommended, which is what 1, the voting badge, explore turn and update a poor balance of 300,000 pounds, which I didn't meet, so I want to increase my chances with the voting badge. So let's move right to it. So for the voting badge, we have about 4 different voting badges. We have supporter, which costs 0.1 ton. We have dolphin, which costs 3 ton. We have whale, which costs 50 ton, and goat, which costs 100 ton. So we will be going for the supporter badge, guys. So let's see how we can do that. So we click on the supporters badge. Good. And the next one we're supposed to do is to connect our wallet. So I'm using Turnkeeper. So click on Turnkeeper and wait for it to load. Good. Alright, so we connect wallet. Now that is done. So the next thing is what? Open with Chrome. We continue with Chrome just once. Alright, so now it's time for us to confirm the transaction with the Turnkeeper. This will only take a moment. So we're waiting for it to load. While it's loaded, let's open the wallet directly. Let's go to the wallet directly. Okay. So what we need to do is to send what's 0.1 ton. The network fee is what's approximately 0.003. So let's slide to confirm. Alright. So let's approve the transaction. Done. So transaction has been done. So now head back to Chrome. It confirms the transaction. We're still confirming the transaction. Good. So transaction successful. You have successfully completed the transaction to purchase a medal. Your badge has been updated. Go check it out. Okay. So it's not showing yet, so I'd say we'll refresh. So let's refresh. Okay. Now I have voting badge available. So good. I have what out of recommended. Now we have what 1/3 complete. So this is one of this is the way you can get your voting badge. The next one we're going to be exploring turn. In the next video we'll be exploring turn where we'll get WPAWS. So that's it for this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content, and also do well to join our Telegram community, which we have down in the comment section below. Stay safe. Peace out.